In this video, I will be showing you how to redeem Google Play gift card from another country. You cannot use a Google Wallet code from outside the US due to regional restrictions. This is due to the regionalization of Google Play gift cards, which only allow for redemption from Play stores in particular nations. There is a way to still save it, though. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Google Play gift card outside of the US. Although the gift card option has been available for some time, you are still unable to use it in your home country. So the first thing you're going to do is to install this USA VPN. Click install and wait for a couple of minutes or let's just say seconds, depends on your internet. And then once done, you click this open. And then after that, you have to sign in or log in using your valid email address for this. And then you can just connect it directly to USA, as you can see. So you have to tap this connect to selected VPN, connect to VPN USA. So as you can see, I am now connected to VPN USA and it says connecting here. So click always allow. And then after that, you can now exit this application or you can explore this in order for you to have more knowledge about this VPN USA. But our main tutorial is to redeem codes, to redeem Google Play gift card from another country. So what are we going to do now is to go back to your Google Play Store. So you can just exit this one. Don't worry, you will not be disconnected to this VPN. Okay, go to Google Play Store, long press, and then tap this application information or app info or the eye icon, and then go to storage usage, tap this one, and then make sure that you clear cache and you tap this clear data, click OK, and then once done, you can now go back and then tap this force stop. Okay, and then you need to enable this again. Now, after doing this or once you're done with this, all you have to do is to go back to your Google Play Store and then tap the profile icon. So here we have my apps and games, offers and notifications. Tap the third one, which says payments and subscriptions. And then here you go. You can see redeem code. Tap this one. Now, all you have to do is to enter the code here. Let's just say this one, and then click redeem. As easy as that. I hope this video helps, and thank you so much for watching. See you again in our next videos.